I actually got that on tape. Okay.
Good evening. My name is Rebecca Anderson, and I am an veterinary assistant at Animal Hospital Montgomery in Montgomery, Texas. Today I will be telling you about why dog owners should use Heartworm Preventative, because heartworms and mosquitoes are very bad in Southeast Texas, and they are very bad for your dog's health. I will be going through the heartworm life cycle, some symptoms and signs that your dog has heartworms, and then some preventative and treatment techniques. Okay, the heartworm life cycle is right here, it's kind of small. Pretty much what happens is first, a mosquito bites your dog and infects it with microfilaria, which is baby mosquitoes. And then another mosquito comes over and bites your dog and gets the microfilaria into its body via your dog's infected bloodstream. After that, another mosquito comes and bites it and picks up the larva from that dog. It's kind of confusing. It takes a lot of mosquitoes, and that's why heartworms is considered a pandemic. Because once one mosquito is infected and infects your dog, then it can infect hundreds of other dogs. Then, that mosquito that's been infected with the larva bites another dog, and then the larvae start to grow inside the dog, and whenever they're big enough, the worms get lodged in the heart. That's where they get heartworms. Similar in cats, but cats are a little different because they're not necessarily outside animals, but today we're focusing on dogs. Also, the American Heartworm Society says that 100% of dogs that are exposed will be infected, and that 80 to 90% of cases are microfilaria, which is the baby worms. Some symptoms and signs is a mild, deep, and persistent cough. So if you hear a dog with a very deep cough, you might want to get it checked for heartworms, especially if it's a stray. The dog will have an inability to play as normal because obviously if there's worms blocking its heart and its lungs, they'll get tired really easily. And in extreme cases, dogs will stop eating and will probably start losing weight. And here's some, small pictures of heartworms in the pulmonary artery and just the heart in general of the dog. Some prevention and treatment is prevention starts with a simple blood test done by your veterinarian. It takes 5 to 8 minutes. And if your dog tests negative, then you'll be able to put it on a monthly pill like Trifexis, which Trifexis is a big product today because it kills fleas within 30 minutes, prevents fleas for 30 days. It obviously prevents against heartworms and intestinal worms. But if your dog tests positive, you can either choose euthanasia or treatment depending on the severity. The reason you would have to choose euthanasia is because sometimes it's just too severe, and if the worms start dying in the heart, it'll eventually kill the dog anyway, so it's more humane. But treatment is to use adulticide, which is a medication that's given to the dog over a period of 1 to 2 months in increments to gradually kill the worms so they don't clog the heart. So today I went over the heartworm life cycle, symptoms and signs, and prevention and treatment. I hope it encourages you to put your dog on heartworm preventative because it is very serious. Remember that prevention is easy, but treatment is expensive. Thank you.